Have as much fun chewing your experiment as you have making it with Bubblegum Factory from Ideal. Learn the science behind bubblegum. Make gobs of gum by following the 8 recipes of fantastic flavor combinations or create your own unique concoctions. To make bubblegum, just stir the gum base with ingredients such as food coloring and flavor powders, then knead the gum until it's ready to chew. Make fruity, sour, and minty gum, watermelon wham flavor, or give your taste buds a thrill with tangy blueberry tart. Test your bubble blowing skills and learn the science and history behind gum with the 10-page activity guide. Great for birthday parties and family fun, Bubblegum Factory is sure to turn your kitchen into a flavor-chewing paradise. Adult supervision is required. Recommended for ages 8 and older. Scientific Explorer is a member of the Alex Brands family.